opening statements were heard during Tuesday's trial in the case of a Colorado dentist who prosecutors allege killed his wife in 2023 by poisoning her protein shakes. Angela Craig went to the hospital 3 times over a span of 10 days leading up to her death. Her autopsy report showed she had lethal concentrations of cyanide, arsenic, and tetrahydrozoline, a medication found in eye drops in her system. Now her husband is on trial for murder and facing life in prison without the possibility of parole if convicted. Sherrell Hubbard has the latest on what prosecutors say the motive was behind the deadly crime.
At times, I may instruct you to disregard statements.
James Craig has pleaded not guilty to 6 felony charges, including first-degree murder. In the opening statements of his trial Tuesday, prosecutors alleged that in 2023, the Colorado dentist and father of 6 poisoned his wife Angela's daily protein shake, and while she was hospitalized, prosecutors say Craig showed up to deliver the final dose.
He didn't go into that room to fight for her life, to support her. He went in that room to murder. Deliberately and intentionally end her life with a fatal dose of cyanide.
Prosecutors say Craig murdered his wife because of financial troubles and an affair with another woman. But his defense attorney says Craig had multiple affairs throughout the couple's 23-year marriage.
The prosecution is going to try to say that he was such a bad person, he was a cheater, this gave him the motive to kill. That just does not make sense. This was nothing new.
Prosecutors say computer searches allegedly made by Craig in the weeks before the murder asked how many grams of pure arsenic will kill a human and top 5 undetectable poisons that show no signs of foul play. In court Tuesday, Craig could be seen wiping tears from his eyes. His attorney claims investigators looked only for evidence that implicated Craig.
You heard the prosecution lay out what sounded horrific in an open-closed case. It's not.
I'm Sherrell Hubbard reporting.
Now, prosecutors say Craig plotted to kill 4 people while in jail awaiting trial. They say he tried to convince a fellow inmate to kill the lead detective investigating his wife's death, as well as another unidentified law enforcement officer and 2 other inmates.